Hello students, how are you today? Hope that everything is okay. Today we are going to talk about integers and double signs. So let's start. What is an integer? It's any number that can be written without a decimal component. For example, 21, 4, 0 and minus 205 are all integers. On the number line, all these numbers are integers. Because they are greater than 0 or right to 0, we call them positive integers. And their opposites, so opposite of 1 is minus 1, opposite of 2 is minus 2, and their opposites are negative integer, they are less than 0 or left to 0. So any number that can be written without a decimal component is an integer. What about 1.5? 1.5 has a decimal component, so it's not an integer. Here we say excluding a fraction. Why we excluded a fraction? Let's take any fraction as an example. 5 over 2 is equal to, if we multiply by 5, 25 over 10 equal to 2.5. So it contains a decimal component, so it's not an integer. So fractions are not an integer because they contain a decimal component. Double signs. Two or more signs preceding the numbers. Example, a plus minus 4 or minus minus 5. Or minus plus 1.15. So here, before the number, we have two signs, not only a 1. So here the positive sign is multiplied by the negative sign. The negative sign is multiplied by the negative sign. Here's the same, the negative sign is multiplied by the positive sign. If I ask you to calculate minus 3 plus minus 4, how can I solve that? If I want to use the number line, for example, suppose that here is 0 and minus 3 is here, okay? I have a positive sign, so I should go to the right, but I have here also a negative sign, so I should go to the left. Which one I should choose? So I will be confused. I should go to the right because I have a positive sign, or to the left because I have a negative sign. So to solve this problem, we can use a simple rule that says if we have same signs, positive and positive, we put a positive sign, or negative and negative, we replace them by a positive sign, and if we have different sign, we put a negative sign. Let's take some examples. Minus 5 plus 4. So here we have two same sign. We explained that when we have two positive sign or two negative sign, same sign, we put a positive sign, or we replace them by a positive sign. So here we have two positive, I will replace them by a positive sign. So minus 5 plus 4 is equal to minus 1. Okay. Here the same, so I have two negative sign before 8, so I will replace them by a positive sign also, because they are same signs. So minus 5 plus 8 is equal to plus 3. Here we have a negative and a positive sign, so different sign. When we have two different signs, look at the rule, we replace them by a negative sign. So 7 minus 3 is equal to plus 4. Positive and negative, so different sign, I will replace them by a negative sign. 4 minus 3 is equal to plus 1. Negative and negative, same sign, I will replace them by a positive sign. Minus 2 plus 3 is equal to plus 1. 7 plus minus, so plus and minus, different sign, so I will put a negative sign. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Negative, positive, different sign, so I will put a negative sign. minus 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 8, minus plus, so different sign, I will put a negative sign, so 11 minus 3 is equal to plus 8. Here we have positive and negative, so different sign, we will replace them by a negative. Minus 5 minus 7 equal to minus 12. Here minus and minus, so same sign, so put a positive instead of them. And here minus minus, same sign, we put a positive. Minus 3 plus 4 is equal to plus 1, plus 7, so equal to plus 8. Here we have negative and positive, so different sign, we'll put a negative. And here we have negative and positive also, so replace them by a negative. Minus 5 minus 4 is equal to minus 9, minus 3, so the answer will be minus 12. Another exercise, so calculate minus 6 plus minus 4. So here we have different sign, one is positive and the other is negative. We should replace them by a negative sign, so minus 6 minus 4 is equal to minus 10. Okay, so minus 10. Here we have minus and minus, so we replace them by a positive sign, so it will be 3 plus 2. We have two same sign. When we have two same sign, we put a positive sign, so 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Here positive and negative, so different sign, replace them by a negative, so equal to 7 minus 4 equal to 3 or plus 3. Positive and positive, so same sign, replace them by a positive, so minus 7 plus 5 equal to minus 2. Here we have plus plus 5, so we have same sign, so equal to plus 5, plus minus 1, so different sign, put a negative, minus 1, plus 5 minus 1 equal to plus 4, minus plus 2, so one is negative, the other is positive, different sign, put a negative sign instead of them, so minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. Here we have minus plus, so minus and the plus, different sign, put a negative, so minus 4 minus 4 equal to minus 8. Minus and minus equal to plus 2, same sign, so put a positive. Here minus and positive, different sign, put a negative, so minus 9. So plus 2 minus 9 equal to minus 7. Hope that it's clear. If you have any question, please ask me using WhatsApp or eSchool Agenda. Stay safe. Goodbye.